show you how to generate 2-note per string ideas on the guitar for the melodic minor scale. One thing about 2-note per string fingerings on the guitar is that they're very similar to the minor pentatonic fingerings that we learn and use all the time. So what I like to do is I like to map out groups of notes within different scales and map them out with 2 notes per string so that they feel similar to a pentatonic, but you're getting all of these other notes from the other scales. What I like to do is look at fretboard diagrams, and I like to find shapes that I think are going to sound good and feel good under my fingers to use in improvisation. So let's look at the melodic minor scale. So if we look at the melodic minor scale all over the guitar neck, okay, and we look at those fretboard diagrams, we can find 2-note per string ideas that are very useful for improvisation. Now here's a great one. If you just start on the root and you play, that's one of the fingerings that presents itself on the fretboard. So we're just 2 notes per string. That's a great one to learn and start to use. But when you look further on the fretboard, you'll find this one as well. It's a great one, just starting on the 2nd note of the scale. So we have this one. We have this one. Now by themselves, they're already interesting enough to play as lines. So if you have, a backdrop of a minor major 7, you could just play 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And that would be a great C minor major 7 line. Here's another great one. I started on the B. Another one that I like to use starts on the 5th, and it goes like this. Really nice for like a minor 13 or a minor major 7 type sound. So a great thing to do is to go through all of the notes on the fretboard to find some of your favorite shapes. So if we start on F, we could do this. G. Starting on A. Starting on B. Starting on C. Starting on D. What I found from this process is I like a few specific ones that I think are going to be very useful for my playing. Perhaps the one that starts on the root. The one that starts on the 9th is a really nice shape, and I think I could get some good lines out of that. I think starting on the 7th also has a really nice kind of altered shape, and the one starting on the 5th is another really nice shape. You may find that you like some of the other shapes, or you may find that you like to create your own, which is great. That's exactly what I'm encouraging you to do, is to go through there and look for shapes that you think sound good and feel good to your fingers so that you could start to incorporate them into your improvisations. So here's a melodic minor vamp for C. Now I'm going to try and play some of these shapes just to show you how I would incorporate them. So here's the scale. Now here's one of the shapes. Maybe play some patterns. Here's another shape. Maybe backwards.